Okay, I often get a lot of questions about the ETFs, and I wrote an article about it, got a lot of attention, followed it up with another article that got a lot of attention. If you want the full arguments, just go read those. Anyways, we'll take a brief look at the prospectus for the GLD ETF. Right here, gold bullion may not meet London good delivery standards. So you might have lead bars painted gold in your ETF. Another interesting one, trust gold may be subject to loss, damage, theft, or restriction on access. The trust may not have adequate sources of recovery if the gold is lost, damaged, or stolen. Even in the event of fraud, your recovery will be limited to the market value of the gold at the time the fraud's discovered. So they might steal your lead bars painted gold, and then gold will go up a ton because there was a run on it, and your recovery will be limited to what the gold bars were worth at the time of the fraud. What a joke. Gold held in the trustee's unallocated gold account will not be segregated from the custodian's assets. So we don't know whose gold is whose down in the vault there, which is not very confidence inspiring. But the real kicker comes in the 10K with the SEC. It's right here. In addition, the trustee has no right to visit the premises of any subcustodian for the purposes of examining the trust's gold or any records maintained by the subcustodian, and no subcustodian is obligated to cooperate in any review the trustee may wish to conduct on the facilities, procedures, records, or creditworthiness of such custodian. So say the custodian wished to conduct an audit, and denied, so you don't even get to go and see if there are any of these things down in the vault. No gold bars down there. Hey guys, so oftentimes I get a question, well, if I can't hold my gold in the ETFs because that's not safe, well, where can I put it? Well, here's one option. You've got this company called GoldMoney, and I actually do a real thorough review on my site about GoldMoney, so you can always go look at there. But GoldMoney's very interesting because you're able to set up an account, you buy the gold, and you actually get good London delivery bars. And they're stored in a nice vault in Zurich with VMAT, and you've got external audits. So you got external audits, and there's even a little bit of regulation. It's overseen by the Jersey Financial Services Commission. So GoldMoney is a good alternative, and I'll show you how their user agreement differs with the ETFs, because we've got the GoldMoney user agreement, and here's an example of delivery instructions. A user may, by providing GoldMoney with delivery instructions, which instructions must be in the form prescribed from time to time by GoldMoney in the vault, at any time request GoldMoney to change gold and silver grams in his holding into grams of gold or ounces of silver that are available for physical delivery to the user. So being able to take possession at any time, physical delivery at any time, that's the real key that needs to be upheld there. And then GoldMoney only deals with good delivery bars off of the LBMA, so you know that the gold is gold. So there's an example of where you could have some safe gold and silver, and you could take possession at any time of either the gold or silver bars. So that's a lot different than what you have with the ETFs, where you're not even able to audit the holdings. You're not able to even know if it's whether it's good delivery bars or not, etc., etc. So I really encourage you to go over there to my site, visit that link up there, and you can see the review. And then I've got all the different due diligence that you'd want, like Peter Schiff recommends them, billionaire Eric Sprott, Mish Shedlock, Doug Casey, John Embry, Mike Maloney, Rich Dad Poor Dad friend. I Am Gold is one of their shareholders. Their registration, their certificates under the Jersey banking law. You'll want to read this for sure. All over here, that's real important. And So, but that ability to demand delivery of gold at any time is really helpful, and what sets it apart, and is different from like the NYMEX or the COMEX or the TOCOM, as far as being able to get your gold and silver bullion. So anyways, that's an option.